asking why I'm all hot and sweaty. It's because this is Miami, Florida sun. We're gonna be installing the F-150 mirror caps. And we're gonna replace it with the gloss black. There's a little trick, some of you guys, this is what I like to give as tips. If you find it on Amazon or eBay, it says mirror caps and you think you're gonna get like a little stick on. It's actually a cap. It's a full-on cap. So here you can see where inside it's got the two tabs that are gonna mount inside. So I'm gonna pull it off. Pop right on. So like I said, they just pop right on. When you're using just a nice flathead, you're gonna see they're gonna pop out from this item here. To get to it, you get your mirror, push it at the top rear corner like so. You're gonna see a space right here, and you're gonna stick a flathead screwdriver right through here, pry it open, and you're gonna work your way over to the other tab. So you're gonna pop, it's very simple, it just pops right open. You're gonna see a space and just pop, pop, pop. It's gonna come right off, clips right off. If you have heated mirrors, there is a little cable that's gonna be attached to it. It's easy to just unplug that. Mine's just the base, so there's nothing there, nothing fancy on this bad boy. That's gonna get you to these 4 Allen screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna take that off, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what that looks like. So you take it, pull. Once you've loosened those 4 bolts, you're just gonna pull it out, little tugging maneuvering, and we're looking at these 4 clips. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, here's the setup. So these 4 tabs here will hold it together. They're the tab in the housing part that we're gonna keep is very, very hard, and it's possible that it will break before the cap that we're trying to replace does. So the best way to avoid this is to take the tabs piece and pry it off. So we're gonna pry back and forth, and it just breaks right off. You can see how easy it is. It's flimsy. Make sure to take the tab piece off, and that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. It's that simple. Break the 4 tabs off. Comes off of your housing. I'm still doing the driver's side for you guys. Here's the driver's side. Crack all 4 off. We have our newly painted one. Left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just clips right in. So like I said, I bought them as mirror caps. I thought they were just gonna be a stick on like a temporary thing, but turns out they were actual caps. I just ran into this. Here's 2 tabs. My house only has 1 opening. I'm obviously not gonna make a new opening here. It's very light plastic. All I did was push on it and it came right off. So I'm gonna finish with my same needle nose pliers. Just take that last little piece off. It'll be flush. Problem solved. That is looking damn fine. Look at that. Original, new glossy. This is great because I wanted it just a temporary. I got a couple other things I want to paint to match magma red. So when I'm ready for that, I'll just pop them back off. These are the ones that you're ready to paint. You can't paint this because you got to sand it down. It's just too much labor and it always looks wavy. This is going to be ready for paint 2 seconds. And then these will be magma along with a couple other items on another video. Now before you ask, oh no, you're breaking all this plastic stuff, now it won't go back. Are you ever really going to go back to that? I don't think so. There you have it, folks.